Apples, the crunchy and juicy fruit that has been a staple in diets for centuries, are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for our health. Packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants, apples have been linked to numerous health benefits that can improve our overall well-being. One of the most well-known health benefits of apples is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Apples are particularly rich in a type of fiber called pectin, which has been shown to have a positive impact on gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the colon. In addition to their fiber content, apples are also a good source of vitamins and minerals. They are particularly high in vitamin C, which is important for boosting the immune system and protecting the body against infections. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Apples are also a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure and maintaining proper muscle function. Potassium helps to counteract the effects of sodium in the body, which can help reduce the risk of high blood pressure and cardiovascular disease. Another important health benefit of apples is their antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to a variety of chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. The antioxidants in apples, such as quercetin and catechins, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Apples have also been linked to a reduced risk of developing certain chronic diseases. Studies have shown that people who eat apples regularly have a lower risk of developing heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. The fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in apples all play a role in reducing inflammation, improving cholesterol levels, and regulating blood sugar levels, which can help prevent these diseases from developing. In addition to their physical health benefits, apples may also have a positive impact on mental health. Some research suggests that the antioxidants in apples may help protect the brain against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease. The fiber in apples may also help regulate blood sugar levels, which can have a positive impact on mood and energy levels. Apples are also a low-calorie and nutrient-dense food, making them a great choice for weight management. The fiber in apples helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help prevent overeating and promote weight loss. Apples are also a good source of water, which can help keep you hydrated and support overall health. When it comes to choosing apples, it's important to opt for organic varieties whenever possible. Conventionally grown apples are often treated with pesticides and other chemicals, which can have negative effects on health. Organic apples are grown without synthetic pesticides and are therefore a safer and healthier option. In conclusion, apples are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offer a wide range of health benefits. From their high fiber content to their antioxidant properties, apples have been linked to improved digestive health, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and even potential benefits for mental health. By incorporating apples into your diet on a regular basis, you can support your overall health and well-being in a delicious and convenient way. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack or dessert, reach for an apple and enjoy all the amazing benefits it has to offer.